In this LashJoy Academy tutorial, I'll be showing you my custom methods to isolate the natural lashes. So with our straight tweezers, I'm just going to rest that on the side of the tile, and I'm going to angle down towards the very base of the natural lash. I'm just looking for a bald area with no extensions. Touch the iPad, wriggle open wider, wider, wider. If nothing pops out that you want to apply to, simply stay in that area, but grab a lash on the edge. So I'll move to the middle of the eye and I'll show you the method again. Head straight to the base of the natural lash, touch the iPads, wider, 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 and you'll get a little lash there pop out, and you'd always apply from behind your tweezers. I'll show you again, heading straight to the base, touch, wider, 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 and we can apply in there. So I'll head back to the inner corner of the same eye again, straight to the base, touch, wider, 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 and there's a little baby hair that pops out. If we didn't want that one, we're going to quickly catch one on the edge. So make sure you open your tweezers up nice and wide so that you've got lots of room to place that extension on without getting adhesive on your tweezer tips. Another tip I'll give you is once you've placed it on, open your tweezers right up so that the neighboring lashes have a lot more time to touch the natural lashes without turning into a sticky. So wider, wider, wider. It's really important to open your tweezers right up and then get a lash on the edge. So when you move over to the left eye, your elbow comes down from the pillow, resting on the side of the face, angling down towards the base of the natural lash. You would touch the iPad and then you would open up. Try and keep your tweezer tips on the iPad as you're opening up. If there's two lashes or more, just work with the layers and move the other lashes to the side. Heading straight to the base, touch, wider, wider, wider. Same for that inner corner. Wriggle them open lightly and apply. So these are my custom methods for isolating the natural lashes quickly and efficiently for fast application.